Hello friends. Today we are going to deal with the topic enzyme from subject pharmacognosy. Enzymes. In this topic we are going to deal with three enzymes: papaya, diastase and yeast. So first of all we should learn what are enzymes. Enzymes, these are the protein substance which serves the role of catalyzing biochemical reaction. They serve as a role of catalyzing in biochemical reactions. They are colloidal in nature, thermolabile, and highly specific in action. Thermolabile in the sense they are heat sensitive in nature. Then comes classification of enzymes. So first class is hydrolysis for catalysis of hydrolytic reaction. Then transferase enzymes. These are for transferring of chemical groups from one molecule to another molecule. Then oxidoreductase enzymes. They catalyzes oxidation reduction reaction. Then lysis enzymes catalyzes the addition of groups to double bond or vice versa. Isomerase enzyme is the responsible for intramolecular rearrangement. Synthetase enzymes catalyzes the condensation of two molecules coupled with the cleavage of pyrophosphate bond of ATP. The first drug we are going to study is papaya. Biological source of papaya. It is cultivated fruiting tree known as Carica papaya, family Caricaceae. Geographical source of papaya is tropical America, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Hawaii, Florida, India. Then comes description. Description of papaya enzymes. Color of color is light brown or white colored amorphous powder. Odor typical. Taste typical. Solubility is partly soluble in water and soluble in glycerin. The main chemical constituent of papaya is enzymes, papain and chymopapin. Polypeptides, amides. Then identification test or chemical test of papaya. So 0.5 gram of papaya latex, 10 ml of water, shake well. To it add potassium permanganate. The result is decolorization. Decolorization of solution. Then second test is 20 ml of milk. To it add 0.5 gram of papaya latex. Curdling take place. And uses of papaya. It is used in clarification of beverages, meat tenderizer, in cheese manufacturing as a substitute of rennet, degumming of silk fibers in textile industries, dehairing of skins in hides in leather industries, digestant, means in digestant it acts as proteolytic, then anti-inflammatory agent, relieving symptoms of epistomy. Storage of papaya. Stored in well-closed container protected from light and in cool place. Then second enzyme is diastase enzymes. Synonym of diastase enzymes are amylase, salivary diastase, malt diastase. Then biological source. It is one of the amylolytic enzyme present in saliva, that is salivary diastase or ptyalin, and pancreatic diastase or amylopsilin found in digestive tract of the animal. It is formed during the germination of barley grains and known as malt diastase. Description of diastase enzymes. Color yellowish white amorphous powder. Odor is faint characteristic. Solubility soluble in water forming colloidal solution. It is precipitated by alcohol. Uses: used as digestant in the production of pre-digested starchy foods, conversion of starch to fermentable sugar in fermentation and brewing industries. Then third enzyme which we are going to deal with is yeast. Now yeast is nothing but a collective term for fungi. It is a collective term for the fungi under normal condition of growth, and it contains vegetative body of simple individual cells. Yeast, they are classified according to their use and which they are put or based on the morphological characters. So wine yeast, which is used in wine industries, baker's yeast, which are mostly used in preparation of bread and breads, brewer's yeast, distiller's yeast. Biological source of yeast. It consists of unicellular fungal microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae, family Saccharomyces. The natural habitat of this microorganism is food, juice, bread, and several fermented and fermentating media. On large scale, yeast is produced by using citrus molasses. Molasses what? Grain what? Then description of yeast. Color whitish powder. Odor is characteristic. Size unicellular microorganism measuring less than 1.5 micron. Chemical constituent. It contains about 65 to 85% of moisture, nitrogenous compounds, proteins, glycogen, fat. The other chemical constituent includes vitamin. In vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, nicotinic acid, pantothenic acid, folic acid, biotin. Main chemical constituent of yeast is enzyme, invertase, diastase, zymase, maltase. Then uses of yeast. It is mostly used in manufacturing of alcohol, beer and various wines. In bakery industry to raise the dough for preparation of bread and pav. Irradiated yeast is also source of vitamin D. It is also used as source of vitamin D. It is also used in manufacturing of glutathione and invertates. It is also acting as a source of protein. Then summary. In this class or session, we learned about different enzymes obtained from different sources. So first was papaya, obtained from half-ripe fruits belonging to family Caricaceae and chiefly constituent of proteolytic enzyme papain. Then main use of papain enzyme was digestant, which is proteolytic and anti-inflammatory agent. Then next enzyme we learned was diastase, which is formed during the germination of barley grain and it is known as malt diastase. Then it is used as digestant and production of pre-digested starchy food. Yeast is produced by using citrus molasses, molasses wort grain and grain wort, etc. It is used in manufacturing of alcohol, beer and various wines and also in bread industries. Thank you.